Now friends, I going to explain a very important topic about this switcher is audio. This is a video switcher. Everything you can do using this switcher video part, but operators or users ask for audio also. Yes, in this switcher you can use audio also. If you want to take audio input coming along with video as a HDMI source embedded audio, so for that you have to go input signal FS. If FS, you can see here, if FS is on, then no audio will enter into your switcher. If FS is off, then only audio will enter into your video switcher along with your video. You can see in my multi-view monitor there are two sources are there, input 1, input 2, but no audio is showing here. So because of FS is on, suppose input 1 FS if off, now you can see input 1 audio is coming, but video going sync out because frame synchronization is off. In input 2 I am going to FS off. You can see in input 2 there is also audio showing. Audio level is low but audio is there, but video is sync out. Input 1, input 2, both video are sync out because FS is off. So first of all I would like to say that if you want to use audio which is coming along with your video as embedded, and then you must have to use a external sync generator to give it input to the switcher, then only you can off your FS. Suppose you have the external sync and you have given to your switcher input, then your video sync out problem will be resolved and audio is coming because FS is off here. Okay, now which audio will go on air? So for do that you have to go input signal, not signal, sorry, here output. Here is a point ANC, means ancillary for audio. Ancillary. Here you can see PGM data utility. If it is data is off, audio will come to your switcher but not pass into the PGM because data is off. If data is through, then audio will come and you can get audio output. If I press button in source 1, then source 1 audio will go PGM. If I press source 2, then source 2 audio will PGM. No fixed audio. Audio will change as per source. But if you want to fixed your audio source coming from, suppose source 1, cam 1. So to do that you have to data should be utility. So in PGM, whatever may be the source, audio will take from input 1. You can see input 1. Now we can check. Video is changing, but audio is coming from input 1 only. Just like same, you can assign audio in aux also. Come to the next page. Here you can see aux data utility, means in aux 1 whatever video will go, audio will come from input 1. That means which audio present in input 1 along with video sources in embedded form. So in this way you can assign audio in your output. And one more thing, if you have optional card, AES card, then for that you have to go setup, functions, AES IO. This is the optional card. This card is not installed in this switcher. If I press it, not entering because card is not physically exist in this switcher. So in this way you can control audio in your video switcher.